To the lady of the moment, no, not to her, but to Anasuya, another lady of the moment. Anasuya, you're right outside Sheila Dikshit's house. I was just told that she's now just surrounded by fans, followers, and of course journalists. What's going on there? More holes.
I am outside the residence of Mrs. Dikshit, and the drums just are not stopping here. You can see when the camera pans the kind of crowds that have already started gathering the moment they started realizing the kind of leads that were coming. All the supporters have started gathering in front of her house. Since morning we have been with the Chief Minister. Initially she was talking about all kinds of options. She was in fact closely watching the results come on television. She was in fact watching NDTV for the first couple of hours. She kept saying that I will not say anything till I've got all the results. The results are not out, but the leads are such that now I can, when I spoke to her, see a smile on her face, but still she says officially I will talk later. But for her supporters, as you can see, the celebrations here have already started, even as the leads are there.
Something. Anasuya, Sheila Dikshit has gone on record in this campaign to say she's aware of who her detractors are within the Congress, that she feels hurt every time they try to pull her down. Now that she's delivered this victory to the Congress, you know the anti-Sheila camps within her party in Delhi. What are they saying?
See, right now, Sheila Dikshit really is the lady of the moment, as you said. Right now, there really aren't any detractors that one can hear of. The fact that she is winning for the third time in Delhi is a clear message to her detractors. She, from the very beginning, when we spoken to her through this campaign, when we spoke about her detractors, she said the results will speak for themselves. Even this morning, when I spoke to her, she said, it's like exams. I have given my exams results. Now, only the results are to come out. And now that the results indicate that she will be the Chief Minister for the third time, she says it's an answer to anyone.
Anasuya, you better get to a safe place. We can see the cars try to get into Sheila Dikshit's house. We believe she's going to speak any moment inside now at an impromptu press conference. Amazing victory for her. Anasuya, you'd better run in as well. We believe she's going to hold a press conference any minute now. We'll cut across live to that when it happens. Prannoy, what's